Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And tonight what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Boltune truly wireless headphones. In particular, this is the second generation. So what I'm going to do for everyone in this video is I'm going to demonstrate how the headphones look on my head, and then we're going to give y'all two audio sample tests. One audio test is going to be a leakage test, so y'all will get an idea of how much leakage comes off the headphones while it's at maximum volume. And then the other audio test or audio sample will be just a nice audio demonstration for y'all. This way y'all can get an idea of how the headphones sound. Alright? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now starting off, I just want to give y'all a nice clear visual of how the headphones look. So check out what the B-roll that will be up on your screen right now, and you can see just how good the headphones look. Now I have to say, Boltune has done a great job with these. The combination of protein leather or faux protein leather and aluminum makes these headphones look really good, and they are extremely comfortable for extended listening sessions. All right, so really good stuff in my opinion. Okay, so check it out, check it out. Good stuff indeed. Now, moving on, let's jump into the audio test. All right, so as y'all can see on the secondary camera, or the primary camera in my case, we do have copyright-free music pulled up on the primary camera, and y'all do see the picture of me on the secondary camera. So we're gonna get ready to play this copyright-free music for a little bit so y'all can check for the leakage. Now, for reference, I am using my clip-on microphone here this evening, which is clipped right here to my shirt. So when I give y'all the audio sample, I will be holding the headphones up to this microphone that's clipped on my shirt, okay? And that's less than a foot away from my mouth. So you should get a nice, crisp audio sample. All right, so let's put the headphones on. Let's give y'all the fitting demonstration and jump into the audio test. All right, now let me adjust these. Nice and snug. I do like that nice compressed fit, so it's really, really good. So we have it on here, so let's turn to the right. Check that out. Check that out. Really good indeed. And with the music off, I can barely hear myself talk. And with the music on, I can't hear myself talk at all. So here's the left. Really good. I'm a big fan of the over-the-ear headphone design. So this is really good in my opinion. Again, here's the left. There's the right. Okay? Real quick fitting demonstration for y'all. Now let's get into the audio test. So I do have this bad boy paired up to my Fire Stick, and let's go ahead and push play, and it is set to max volume. So here we go. Ooh! Yeah, boy. All right. Let's pause it here. We don't want to make this video too long, but man, let me give y'all my impressions of the overall sound. Now, the sound quality on these is really good. There's little to no distortion on the high or the low ends of the volume spectrum, so really good in my opinion. Okay. And the overall volume, these bad boys get loud. With these bad boys on, I can't hear none of my surroundings, right? So the overall volume and the overall sound quality on these is top notch in my opinion. Now, talking about the overall bass. The overall bass on these is really good with the active noise cancellation turned off, but it goes to the next level when you turn on the active noise cancellation, and I do have it turned on for this video. And with it on, this bass is on point, man. It's nice and deep, it's nice and punchy, it's just really, really good. And it does so while maintaining really nice instrument separation, so I can still hear the differences in tones and the differences in instruments, so it's not muddy or anything like that. So overall, the bass on the Boltune Truly Wireless headphones, the second gens, is really good in my opinion, if not top notch. Now, that's only with noise cancellation turned on. With noise cancellation turned off, in my opinion, it's missing that extra little bit of punch. Okay, so I pretty much will leave noise cancellation on for whenever I want to do something and I want to get immersed. So yes, that's my recommendation, and that's how I feel about it. Now let me go ahead and rewind the track for y'all. Okay, and then I'm gonna give y'all a audio sample, and then we'll wrap the video up. Okay, so let's go ahead and push play. Let me hold this up to the mic. And we'll do this for 30 seconds to a minute, starting right now. All right, 5 seconds. And there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and pause this. All right, and there you guys and gals have it. A real quick fitting demonstration for everyone, and a real quick leakage test, as well as a nice and in-depth sound sample. So you guys and gals, let me know down below in the comments how you feel about these. How was the overall leakage? Did it pick up a lot, or was it, you know, minimal? Let me know. And what do y'all think about the overall sound demonstration? Was it nice and bassy, or was it a little flat? Leave your feedback and your opinions down below in the comments. Let's get into a nice, respectful conversation down there. That being said, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all found it helpful. And as always, if you did, y'all know what to do. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I hope y'all have a great evening. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace, everybody. We out of here.